Buenos dias from the beautiful city of Barcelona. Right now I'm at Plaza de Catalunya, and the plan is we're gonna walk all the way down Las Ramblas, cut across through the Gothic quarters, and then up towards La Sagrada Familia. That's the plan anyway, but we'll see what we come across, see what we find. I've only got one day, so I'm gonna try see as much as possible from this city. Vamos. And here we have it, Las Ramblas. I believe it has the highest number of pickpockets in the world. Watch your pockets when you come. Also, you have like lots of people that'll be offering to sign you up for like coffee shops and things like that. They're legal here, but they're meant to only be for locals. You can sign up apparently, but just, yeah, they stand around, they look very suspicious and come up to you and they're like, coffee shop, coffee shop. It's a lot quieter this morning. Last night it was really busy, all these things were like open and stuff. But yeah, pretty relaxing. It's actually a bit of a flaw of mine thinking that places are just gonna be busy all the time, not thinking that it's 9 AM on a Wednesday and it's winter time here, so this is probably an appropriate amount of people to be walking around at this time. Well, there's like a little market over there. Maybe we go check out this mercado. I see lots of people drinking juice, so maybe we can get some jugo or zumo. I'm not sure which one. Aha, here we go. Frutas. Oh, you got anything you could possibly want here. Maybe we'll get some. Maybe we'll get some mango. Hola, ¿qué tal? Quiero mango, porfa. Sí. ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Sí. Vale. Okay, got some jugo mango. Oh, so good. Okay. Chocolates. It's a bit early for that, I think. Sweets. And on the other side you got loads of fruit and stuff. Everyone's drinking juice. Oh, now we're down into like seafood and meats and stuff. Like sea urchins, oysters. This is also really good if you're trying to practice your parabolas. Look at the different fish and stuff, figure out what they are. Oh, they've got like a bakery as well. I think I'm gonna hold out on getting a coffee because I found like a really nice place near the Gothic quarters, so I think I might go there for a coffee. But look at these look amazing. Oh my god. Okay. Let's jump back out onto Las Ramblas. Continue walking. So this street actually goes all the way down to the sea. So I'm debating whether to jump across into the Gothic quarters now or whether to just continue straight and go down to the sea. I'm thinking we go straight down. I think it's into like a marina, but might be nice to see what kind of boats, what kind of wealth is parked up down there. Okay, we have reached the end of Las Ramblas. There's like a load of construction going on and stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go across the road here, try not to get hit by this forklift. What the hell? Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump across the road and walk down along by the sea. Look how beautiful it is. This is outrageous. Those buildings are incredible. Alright, so this is kind of the marina, I guess. Loads of sailboats. So many. Not so many like yacht looking things. And these ones aren't that big, but there's a huge one over here. So let's see if we can get a look at that. There are some big masts over here, so maybe this is like the sailing club, and the other one over here is the billionaire boys club. These are huge. And then this one here, Naya. Jesus, let's see if we can get a look at that one. I don't know much about boats, but I just think it's like such an outrageous amount of wealth needed to operate something like this. I was talking to a guy in Cairns about it. He worked on them. I think it's something like 20% of the price of the boat every year is the cost of running it. Outrageous. Look at that. It's cool as well, you can actually Google the names of the ships and it tells you like a bit about them. So you can Google Naya and it'll tell you a bit about the ship. I think it also tells you like when it's sailing and where it's sailing. I'm not sure why, but yeah, you can get that information. I wonder how does this guy feel about him having something like that? I wonder, does he care? Or he probably does, to be fair. He probably wants that one. I'd take either of them, to be honest, if they were going. I'd even take like a catamaran. I think that'd be good fun. Do a bit of sailing rather than having a crew to sail your ship around. Like, it's like having someone to drive you around, you know? You don't want to drive yourself. Okay, enough looking at 100 million plus yachts. Let's go get a coffee, something a little bit more within our price range. All right, coffee secured, and there's actually like a park directly over here, so let's go check it out, drink our coffee. Right lads, here we go, coming into the park. The sun's after coming out from behind the clouds there now. Let's find a nice bench and drink this coffee. Huge amount of homeless here, and you can see just as you're walking around, people have like trolleys full of their stuff, and also they're like stuffing their bags and things in the trees, so they like put them in the tall trees here, and I assume then they go out for the day and try and make money, come back here at night then and set up. But yeah, it's quite sad. Like here, look, you have a trolley full of clothes and stuff like that. Yeah, it's kind of sad to see. Loads of dogs in this park as well though, so yeah, there's lots of men just kind of like hanging around, especially in this park and Las Ramblas at night. They're just kind of like standing around and watching, and I don't feel unsafe, but you definitely feel like they're eyeing you up. Did you put something in your pocket? That'd be easy to take and things like that. So yeah, just a little bit more aware, I suppose, which is a shame because you want to be able to come to a place like this and just enjoy it for what it is and not have to worry about that. But come on, that's in a dream world, you know. But check this out, this is beautiful. What are they? They're like massive ducks or small swans. They're like a hybrid. Cool. Okay, let's go up these steps here. See if we can get up there. There's like a golden chariot up on top. You've got 3 horses and somebody on the back on a chariot. Oh, there's yoga going on down there. Okay. I mean, beautiful place to do a bit of yoga. I think we have to walk back down. I know there's a way out onto the road out there. There's something about this country, I don't know what it is, but it just feels good, you know. I heard a very interesting thing that a lot of the times your internal like speed has to match where you are. So I don't know, maybe this is very much my speed. Like people in New York, like who love that like mad busyness. There's often like a lot going on inside, like they're always on the go and stuff like that. So they need somewhere that matches that. So maybe Spain matches mine, I don't know. But yeah, such a cool country. Look at this, it's got its very own Arc de Triomphe right up here. There you go. I believe when we come around this corner we will see La Sagrada Familia. Oh my god. Look at that, that is insane. Let's get a better look at this. This is unbelievable. I understand it's like a construction site, but it's a shame they have the big like black galvanized stuff around the edges. Like you can't actually see it when you're up close. You're better off like be in the park there and look at it from there. But I'm going to go over to this park here because being so close to it actually does it no justice. think that this is winter time, so it's obviously like low season. I can imagine the amount of people knocking around this park in the summer. Lads, imagine living in one of those. You wake up every morning, you know, you go to have your clothes hanging out there, go to hang out the clothes, and that's your view. Pretty outrageous, no? Good. The thing that I find really cool is obviously like Gaudi, the first architect, drew this up knowing that it was never going to see the finished product. 180 years. I think it's a bit more than that. It's like 182 or something like that. Insane.